Managing chronic illnesses is a lifelong journey that demands resilience, patience, and a proactive approach to maintaining overall well-being. In this article, we will explore the challenges and strategies associated with chronic illness management, drawing from personal experiences and valuable insights. Chronic illnesses, such as diabetes, autoimmune disorders, or heart conditions, often require daily management and adherence to medical treatments. This can be emotionally and physically taxing. Individuals facing chronic illnesses often develop a deep understanding of their bodies and their unique needs. They learn to advocate for themselves within the healthcare system, seeking the best care and support available. Furthermore, managing a chronic illness is not solely about medical treatments. It extends to lifestyle choices, including nutrition, exercise, and stress management. Patients learn to strike a balance between symptom control and enjoying a high quality of life. This can be a delicate equilibrium to maintain, but it's achievable with the right knowledge and mindset. Sharing personal experiences and insights on chronic illness management can be a source of inspiration and guidance for others facing similar challenges.